Some stories aren't told with words. They're found in the rhythm of a paddle, the sound of the ocean against the shore. I wanted to share the story with you as we heard it.
Hello. Today we're going to go on some kayaks. See if we can flip them and get back into them. Check out some islands and birds and stuff like that. Oh, Eddie's already being a bird.
As a courtesy to other passengers.
What do you guys think? Are you ready to go on some kayaks? Well, we're at the kayak, picking up some kayaks and gonna go out onto some islands.
All right, guys, so we're here, okay? We have a specific launch point we need you to make the two.
Ready for this, Addie? No. We're getting kayaks off of their sleds and carts, and we're gonna go out in the water. So do you want white or yellow, Eddie? There you go. Power through this one a little bit. Help me paddle, Eddie. All right, Eddie, hop out, grab the boat. Don't lose your paddle. Pull me in, quick. I'm going back out. Pull me in, quick, Eddie, pull me in. Grab the handle. Pull, Eddie, pull, pull, Eddie, pull. That's gonna be your job from the front. No, it's that one.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Yay. You get in on this side.
Pretty big waves.
Yeah, I know.
I'm used to kayaking in alpine lakes in Colorado.
Oh, really?
A little different.
It is a lot different.
Yeah.
The wind, the waves. You want to
All right.
get yeah, butt first, and then you're just gonna swing your legs in.
Oh, butt first, huh?
So you just, there you go, just like that. Excellent. All right, and then you can pass me.
We made it all the way over from the beach over that way and over that way. And we're just gonna kind of chill out on this island for a little bit and go see some swimming holes. And yeah, we made it across part of the ocean. It wasn't too bad, like 20 minutes to get across, but kids did great. It's perfect for all of them. They did really good.
The main island.
How'd you guys do?
Good.
I'm already sore.
You already sore?
But I got a bunch of water in my left eye, so that it's really...
Well, we were in the water. How about you, Addie?
It was very fun.
That's awesome.
You can put your snorkeling goggles on.
This is a pretty amazing place. There's beautiful views everywhere, and it's kind of windy and all, but it's because the sea is right there, and this is just an absolute paradise in here. Sweet. That's so cool that you can see the island from this island, and being over on the windward side, just seeing the clouds going up into the peaks of all these different ridges and mountains that are making up this whole amazing place. So rewarding. Alright, we're gonna kayak back up to Lanikai Beach and do some snorkeling now. Look how far up he goes, that's so cool. Get over here. Paddle, Eddie. Paddle. Paddle. Paddle us out with strength. Who wants to kayak with me to the island? Oh, no one, huh? Yeah, we're gonna do that too. All right, Eddie, hop out quick. Grab the front. Grab it. You gonna pull it up by yourself? Oh, mommy got out easy. Alex got out easy. You guys good? Made it all the way here to the beach, just from that little flat island over that way. Kids are doing great. It's perfect. You just paddle. What do you think, Eddie?
It's fun.
You had a good time?
Yeah.
You paddled well? What about you, Alex?
What?
What do you think?
Oh, I think it's cool.
Did you have fun paddling?
Yeah.
What happened at the end?
Oh yeah, we got crushed by a wave.
Crushed by a wave. Sniped from the trees, kind of, but in a kayak.
Yeah.
So I don't think we're gonna make it this time, but those 2 islands, you can also kayak to the one on the left. This one right here. It's about a 2-hour trip there and a 2-hour trip back. Alright, well, we got our snorkeling in. Got to see some sea turtles. That was super cool. And just a bunch of fish and chilling out on the beach. So we're going to get back in these kayaks here and head back and get some food. Anything cool?
Amazing fish.
Yeah, they're pretty sweet.
Big ones. Really
Yeah?
big ones.
Whoa, I got to move back for that one. Addie, where are you going? Come and help me, girl. Come and help me. Ouch. There's a little baby fish here. Did you fall? All right, come get in, Eddie. Woo! I stepped on a fish. All right, so we got these kayaks back, and we're gonna go ahead and just drag them back down to the rental place, and that'll be it. It's pretty awesome. We made it back. It was pretty wavy on the way back in, and but we made it back just safe, and it was really not that bad. It was awesome. You could definitely do this. You can do it. You should do it. It's sweet. All right, well, as we all drag our kayaks back to the rental place, that's it for this one. Pretty adventurous, heading out to the middle of the ocean and the beaches and just going snorkeling and seeing Kailua for what it really is. It's a pretty awesome place, really sweet. So like, subscribe, follow along for more adventures with the Untamed View. See you next time. All right, so we're gonna get back on the bus and head back over to our hotel on the other side of the island. We did lose one bus pass, but it's not that big of a deal really, because you can get another one. And we're gonna try to transfer the balance from the old one to the new one. So I just have to pay for the extra bus pass, but we'll see how that works. Public transportation, it's pretty sweet here. It's really nice.
Ball number 2 right behind.
Road to Waikiki, Kailua Beach.